Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to advertise your business on Google. Let's begin. So if you go to www.google.com/business, you'll be greeted about this page here where it says stand out on Google with a free business profile. So if you already have a business account, you're going to go to the top right and then select sign in. But in our case, we are going to select manage now. So if you already have a business, it's just going to take you to your account, your business account, and then you can just manage it from there. So if we go back, we're going to select sign in. So what we need to do now, we need to go to the left side here and then select edit profile. And then it's going to say about your business. You are going to enter a business name. Now you have to ensure that this business name is in line with your business niche. So let's say that you are a bakery, then you're going to add some sort of word like bakery to the end of your business name. So Jacob Bakery. And then you have to make sure that the business category is in line with what your niche is. So let's say it's baking supplies or it has anything to do with pastries. You're going to select the baking supply shop. So that in the description, you're going to give a detailed description of what your business is about, working hours and so on. And then you can add in the opening date. So that's very important. So it tells people when your business is open and when it is closed. And then if you go to the contact information, you're going to enter your phone number in case they want to contact you about your business or if they have a query about your shop. And then if you already have a website, then what you can do is you can add the link here. And then once you add the link, people can go to your website to get more information about your business. So under location and areas, you're going to select the service area where your business is placed or held. So if you want to add more information about your business, then this is what you can do. You can add access, breakfast, brunch, delivery, dinner. So people who go to Google Maps and they're looking for a specific place where there is takeaway or lunch or dinner, adding these tags here is going to be very important for your business. So the right people who are looking for that specific topic, they are going to find your business. Now, what I would recommend is that you add clear and high quality images to your photo, such as your cover photo and then your logos, because most people will try to deter away from businesses who have low quality pictures, videos, and so on. So by making your photos colorful, very clear and high quality, that's going to bring you more customers. And then you can also select the advertise option there. So then it's going to open up Google Ads, the Smart Campaign section. There it says, where should people go after clicking your ad? You can select your business profile or your website. So we're going to select your business profile, then next. Thanks, people come here after they click your ad. Okay, so it's going to show you what it looks like. And then you go to select next. Then it says here, what's your main advertising goal? So you're just going to have to choose one, get more calls, get more website sales or leads. And then here it says, now it's time to write your ad. The more headlines and description lines you provide, the more combinations will be tested to learn which perform the best over time. So make sure that you include different headlines, descriptions, and so on, because it's going to be important to see how your business can be properly optimized to get more calls or more views. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.